Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
Welcome to the Ultimate Arabic Pronunciation Guide. In this series, you'll master Arabic pronunciation. Proper pronunciation is essential in Arabic, and in this series, you'll learn it in a fast, comprehensive, and easy way. In this first lesson, you'll learn about the building blocks of the Arabic pronunciation system that will help you in future lessons. Arabic uses an abjad writing system where each symbol is codified as a consonant. All 28 letters in the Arabic alphabet are consonants. There are no letters that represent vowels in Arabic. This does not mean that the Arabic language lacks vowels altogether, though, because vowel sounds do exist, but they're just implied. Consider this English example. See if you can guess the sentence. Even without the vowels, it's very likely that you figured out that the correct reading of this sentence is, "He went to the park." This is similar to what it's like to read in Arabic. But be careful not to fall into a very common trap. As you're learning to speak correctly, you shouldn't concern yourself with all the letters. That's right, forget them. You care about the sounds of Arabic, and here they are. There are 28 consonant sounds and 6 vowel sounds. Each symbol that you see here represents a single sound determined by the IPA, which is a standardized way to represent sounds without the baggage that's often involved with traditional letters. By using all of these sounds, you can form every single word in Arabic. Still seem complicated? Well, how about this? Of the 28 consonant sounds in Arabic, you already know 19 of the original sounds. That's right. If you're a native English speaker, then you already make these sounds every day. You can also ignore all of the vowel sounds for the same reason. The only thing standing between you and perfect Arabic pronunciation is 9 new consonant sounds. You can handle that. Now let me introduce Perihan, who will be helping you to master these new sounds.
مرحبا أنا بريهان.
Perihan will be giving you native pronunciation examples for you to imitate. But for this first lesson, just sit back and listen to the unique sounds of Arabic.
حتى رد صوت ضوء طول ظل قوي غالي عالي.
In the next lesson, we'll look at the top 5 pronunciation mistakes Arabic learners make. You'll want to make sure not to fall into these common traps. After that, we'll start going through the vowels and consonants of Arabic. This is your chance to learn how to correctly say all of the words you just heard. We'll finish up the series by covering some special topics that will really make your Arabic sound natural. To wrap up this lesson, here's a question for you. Why is it important to spend time on learning proper pronunciation, even if you're already an advanced speaker? The answer, you will be understood, and this will help you build more confidence as you communicate in Arabic. As beginners, you're creating a strong foundation to build on. And for more advanced students, this is your chance to improve your accent and lose any bad habits you may have picked up. What is the hardest part of Arabic pronunciation? Tell us about it in the comments. Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Arabic Pronunciation Guide. In this lesson, you'll learn the top 5 Arabic pronunciation mistakes to avoid. These are common mistakes that students of Arabic tend to make. So pay close attention and make sure that you don't make these same mistakes too. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Number 1. Can't pronounce rolled R's. The Arabic R is a challenging sound for most learners of Arabic. Don't be discouraged though, as it is a naturally difficult sound. Many Arab children have difficulty pronouncing this sound. With enough practice, however, you'll be able to overcome it. The only way to solve this problem is to keep listening to native Arabic speakers and practicing it yourself, or practicing with us. Listen to the following examples.
ورد رد.
We'll teach you how to perfect this complex sound in Lesson 6. Number 2. Mispronouncing the L sound. The Arabic L sound is peculiar because it sounds somewhat like an English L, but not exactly. The problem arises when speakers begin substituting the English L for this sound, and when you do, native speakers will notice immediately that Arabic is not your native language. Listen to Perihan and pay attention to the way it's pronounced in the following words.
لون أهلا.
Unlike the English L, the tongue is ever so slightly flatter and straighter in Arabic. Don't worry if you don't get it right away, because we'll break down this sound in Lesson 5.
ع أ
Many learners tend to confuse these two sounds because both are throaty sounds that are uncommon in Western languages. The first sound sounds like a deep and turbulent sound that rumbles far in the throat. You'll have to retract the back part of your tongue into your mouth to cause constriction in your throat. This sound is arguably the trickiest sound in Arabic, but don't give up. You'll master it with practice. The second sound is actually deeper in the throat than the first, so deep, in fact, that it causes the vocal cords to stop momentarily, causing a buildup of pressure. It's the sound you make in between the and o in uh-oh. Listen to both of these sounds in a few examples.
عسل فأر عائلة
We'll teach you all you need to know about these two sounds in Lesson 7. There are many dialects in Arabic, so much so that it often feels like each dialect is like a language in its own. This can be daunting for new learners because there are just so many options that it's hard to decide which dialect to learn. This letter, for example, is pronounced like the J in jam in Standard Arabic, and in most dialects except for the Egyptian dialect. The Egyptian dialect, however, is one of the most widely understood dialects of Arabic because of the wide popularity of Egyptian media and movies. In Egyptian Arabic, this letter is pronounced like a regular English G, as in game. Let's listen to the difference one more time. In Standard,
جديد
and in Egyptian.
جديد
Of course, both pronunciations are correct. The key thing is to be consistent with your pronunciation. There are two tricky aspects about this letter. The first is that it's a unique sound that does not exist in many languages. Let's listen to how it's pronounced in the word time in Standard Arabic.
وقت وقت
The second aspect is that this letter is pronounced differently in different dialects. The previous pronunciation occurs in Standard Arabic and in the Arab countries of Northwest Africa, like Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Tunisia. In Egyptian and Levantine dialects, this letter is a glottal stop, like the stopping sound in uh-oh. Compare the pronunciation of this letter first in Standard Arabic and then in Egyptian dialect.
وقت 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 وقت
Now you know the top 5 Arabic pronunciation mistakes to avoid. Try to be careful so that you don't make the same mistakes. Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Arabic Pronunciation Guide. In this lesson, you'll learn all 6 Arabic vowel sounds.
أ أ إي إي أو أو
By learning all of these sounds, you'll be able to pronounce any vowel that could possibly appear in Arabic. Are you ready? Then let's get started. The first vowel sound is
أ أمل شمس هرم
It's identical to the A in apple. Be sure to pronounce it nice and short.
أ أ أ أ
The next vowel sound is
أ مال رنا بات
It's just like the previous vowel, but longer. Notice how your mouth opens wider and the pressure is closer to the back of your mouth and throat than compared to the previous A sound. The sound should be deep, and you should feel your vocal cords vibrating. It should also be pronounced longer than the previous A sound.
أ أ أ أ
The next vowel sound is
إي طفل كتاب حساب
It's identical to the I in sit. Be sure to pronounce it nice and short.
إي 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 إي
The next vowel sound is
إي ميعاد فريد حديد
It's identical to the I in ski. Be sure to pronounce it longer than the previous I sound.
إي 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 إي
The next vowel sound is
أو سم هدهد مفيد
It's identical to the U in put. Be sure to pronounce it nice and short.
أو 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 أو
The last vowel sound is
أو جنون فنون بدون
It's identical to the OU in U. Be sure to pronounce it longer than the previous U sound.
أو 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 أو
Well done! You've just learned all 6 vowel sounds in Arabic. With these sounds, you can pronounce any vowel that could possibly appear in the Arabic language. Isn't that great? Which vowel sound was the most difficult for you to pronounce? Let us know in the comments. In the next lesson, you'll start learning consonant sounds. See you in the next Ultimate Arabic Pronunciation Guide lesson.